Good morning, Vikings. Remember, go to Quizlet, practice at least 15 minutes with the vocabulary terms. Here is the Word document. I'm going to go over it with you so that you know how to say and pronounce each of these words. Okay, if you need to watch this video again, please do, and then spend a lot of time on Quizlet before you write your story. Our first word, ziggurat. Ziggurat. A temple made up of a series of stacked rectangular platforms that form a pyramid-shaped structure. If you need to, open up Google and Google. You'll have a picture of a ziggurat. Next one, society. An organized community with established rules and traditions. Scribe. A professional writer. Cuneiform. Cuneiform. One more time. Cuneiform. And put it all together. Cuneiform. A form of wedge-shaped writing developed by the Sumerians. Empire. Empire. A large territory that is controlled by one ruler. Conquer. Conquer. To defeat and take over. Dynasty. Dynasty. A ruling family. And then polytheism. 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 Put it together. Polytheism. Belief in many gods. So all of these vocabulary terms are referencing ancient Mesopotamia. Mesopotamia. I say, you say. Mesopotamia. Me-sa-pa-te-me-a. Put it all together. Mesopotamia. If you need to, watch this video again. Go Vikings.